Welcome to Grammar. This video is to help you determine what grammar seat you need for your particular piece of equipment. This is a common question we receive, and we have a number of resources on our website which can help guide you. Here you can see our website, which is usa.grammar.com. To start out, go to the Seating Solutions tab at the top of the page. Here you will find a drop-down which lists out the market segments our seats are typically installed in. Today we will give two examples of applications. First, we will be using a zero-turn mower. We have two seats which can be considered. So first, we will go to Turf Seating, and then you will see seats typically installed in these applications. They are listed from our smallest to most basic seat to our largest seats. The 65 and 75 are our most common seats for this application. If I go to the 65 MSG or MSG 65 page here, you can find a great deal of information. Here are all of the features available as well as the benefits listed. There are various videos shared here which illustrate our seats via video, and the features and benefits and common applications are discussed. Most importantly, you can find drawings for the seats which give all the basic dimensions. You can find the basic dimensions, the height and the width, as well as the bolt pattern called out here. If you go back out, below you'll see the list of videos mentioned for common installations and repairs. So if you would like to install armrests on your seat, a video is here to help support. Or if you want to install a fore-aft isolator, a video is here to support you as well. Our second example will be for a large horsepower tractor. Here again, we go back to the top of the page under Seating Solutions and go under Agricultural Seating. In large horsepower tractors, a 95 and MSG 95 is typically installed. Again, we find a lot of the same information here. You'll see pictures of the seats, which these are only examples of what the seats may look like that you may receive, but they're to give you an idea of the size of the seat and the different variations of the seat and the modularity of the seat. So here you can see that this seat can have a low back version all the way to a high back version. And here again, you find all the features and benefits, as well as some videos to help give you a better idea of what the seats look like and what those features are. And again, the drawings. This one happens to have a drawing for both the low back and the high back. There is additional information here on all of our pages, like brochures and operating instructions and our master parts guide, which can help give you a lot of information about common repair parts or common upgrades, and again, videos to help with installations and repairs. So once you've determined the seat which works best for your desires and applications, you can go to our Where to Buy page, which lists out our distributors. Here you can see all of our distributors, and please note the segments which they are focused on. You can see these distributors here are focused on agriculture. So if you happen to have that large horsepower tractor, they would be a good distributor to call. Or if you have the zero-turn mower, this distributor may be the best to call. If you have any other questions, please give us a call at 1-800-4SEATS.